upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round. Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play. Listen, I wanna be there with you no matter where you go. Life is a table for two, and we're starting the show. Well, I'm gonna spread my wings and fly so high up above the clouds. You know that time doesn't wait for your dreams. We're living right here and now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play. Are you ready for it? Better take your shot. It's gonna do the things that you wanna do, yeah. 'Cause this time is the right time, baby. You're the star and this is all about you.
yapmayı planlıyoruz. Türk Hava Yolları ve değerli ekip adına sizlere keyifli uçuşlar dilerim. Good day, ladies, gentlemen, and dear children. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard. My name is Aysan Aydon, alongside with my captain Mihail Brol, together with our cabin crew. We are in command of today's flight. Our flight time to Berlin Airport is 2 hours 15 minutes for today. After preparations, we plan to start our flight in about 15 minutes. On behalf of Turkish Airlines and the entire crew, I wish you a pleasant flight.
Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep on chasing the sunshine